Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is my third time trying to record it. For first time, when I upload, next two times, I keep getting... Well, we're going to be doing what I am going through everything I own in my tax box. I'm going to try to do this one a little faster. So alright, my bass. You guys know I own this stuff and the plastics. And I don't own that stuff, like I just said. These plastics I consider I own because my dad got them from some lady that was getting rid of her husband's fishing stuff. He passed, so that's why she was getting rid of it. Bluegill, swivels, hooks, bobbers. All these sinkers I do own. Me and my cousin went to fish and the water was too low. So we just found all the line we could, got everything off of them, and he walked away with a lot of sinkers. I gotta keep it because he don't really fish, so yeah. With my catfish, the same thing. All these was in with that bag. This one hook is not mine. My dad's. This, I think I found. I don't know. But same with all these plastics. We got them from the lady that was selling her husband's fishing stuff because he passed. And there's I named it extra bass because the bass is already filled up and there is like nothing else I will really be able to put in there. Extra, I'm probably also going to be I might be putting more catfish stuff in here as well, but I do not know. It depends how much I fill up my stuff. Something I don't like doing. It's really easy to the last one. There we go. And I had to take up a little fishing pole because it got stuck open, and I replaced it with a flashlight that I bought. Other than that, I'll see you guys, well, talk to you guys in another video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.